Excellent, so now we're going to look at how to fit the dog gate. We take our spacer bars. As you can see in the pack, we've got 3/4 inch screws. Obviously every door and frame is different. On this particular door, inward opening doors, of course, we're looking at fitting the spacer bar somewhere about there. If you've got a door recess, it is quite versatile. You can either put it there, plasterboard walls. If you use the right raw plugs, it works perfectly fine. You can pre-pilot your holes, which we've done here just for the ease of the video. And all I'm going to do, offer it up and screw in. The distance is what we're looking at here for the dog gate. Two ways you can do it. We're looking and recommending about 2 inches, 50mm off the floor. So you can either measure that first, and wherever your frame inserts, that's where we want to mark, about 50mm, 2 inches up. Or you can actually insert it into the spacer bar to start, like so. If I can just get it in there, and concertina it up, and then we can mark it that way, mark our holes. So when the door's open, you've got that 50mm, 2 inch clearance, if you can see that. So, just going to put on the spacer bar now, start at the top. And again on the door, just offer it up. We've gone parallel. Don't forget there's the lifting arm there, so depending on your circumstances, depending on the door, Dog gate fitted.